Hi Python programmers, very short video on what is a Python interpreter and why should it matter to you. So if you notice, this is the HTML version of our textbook. This stuff here means that this these three greater than symbols here mean the Python interpreter is running. What is that? I created I created an announcement that said where to get Python. So you just download it, and it doesn't cost anything. Download it, and you have to set your path up, correctly. Use ChatGPT for help installing Python if needed. But any which way you can, get Python onto your machine. And then here is my demo. You can see to test if you have Python installed properly. The latest Python name is Python 3. Switch. That's -- version. Okay, boom, 3.1. Now, to start the Python interpreter, it's just Python 3. There you go. So now, if I wanted to follow along with these things, I could, right? Print 4. I should see a 4 when I press enter. All right, and then what is the type? This is good. Python isn't a strictly typed language like Java or C++, but it does have types. So how do you find the type of a string? It's like this. I think this was the example, right? Your textbook. And there you go. It's a string. Let's say num1 gets assigned 22. And then print num1. I should see a 22, right? Perfect. What is the data type for num1? Use this type, and then num1. Again, I'm doing there's no code complete. Using the interpreter, I think, will make you appreciate, and it's an int, will make you appreciate using PyCharm or VS Code. All right. 3 minutes and 20-some seconds. Paka paka.